it is quite anticipated that switching to herbal things helps. Yes, it helps, and everyone has a different skin type, different hair type, so nobody knows your hair better than you know. And herbal products mostly suits every skin type, every hair type, so you can try it once if you haven't, and put the results in the comment box below. Hey guys, welcome to Tista Things. So today what I'm gonna show you is that I will be reviewing some products, and yes, that's all for today's video. So what I'm gonna review is that this is Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo. See dikhate hai na? Okay, so and Wow Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Mask, and Khadi Natural Herbal Shampoo. This is Khadi Herbal Hair Oil Amla and Bhringraj. This is oil is our guest for today. So this is castor oil of Good Vibes. So let's start with this Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo. So few of my friends kept asking me about the review of this shampoo, and they are quite disappointed with the review, with the results. What we are doing is we usually don't dilute our shampoo before using it. Always remember guys, please, before applying any shampoo to your hair, please dilute it with some water. Add 1 teaspoon of water and then apply the shampoo, or whichever you use. Apply the shampoo, and as per your hair length or hair volume, of course, and then massage your hair gently with your fingers, and yes, and leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, then rinse it off. One thing you have to remember is that this is a very mild shampoo actually, so it does not get rinsed off with simple wash or a 1-2 wash, because it's a very mild shampoo actually, and all you have to do is, if you have shower in your washroom, then please put on your showers and wash it out. And it takes few minutes to wash it off, because it's very sticky in your scalp actually. And yes, and if you don't have any shower, then please sit below your tap and rinse it out completely. So, and also Red Onion Black Seed Oil Shampoo is paraben free, sulfate free, silicones and colors. Moving on to this Khadi Natural Shampoo. So it is also a very good shampoo, very mild, but not mild as of Wow Skin Science. This is also a very good shampoo. It's Ayurvedic product, proper Ayurvedic product, and this also have given me very good results. So you have to apply it in the same way as I have told in the case of Wow Skin Science shampoo, and yes, it's not very hard to rinse out. It's very easy. You can also rinse it out with your normal wash. It's very easy, and it's very useful. It's very beneficial actually for your hairs. It is also paraben free, sulfate free, and every chemicals free. Okay, so now this is again the oil. This oil, I feel it's also very dilute. It's not very sticky. It's very good oil, and some of the things you have to remember is that after applying shampoo to your hair, after rinsing it out, please always add a few drops of oil to your mug and then apply it. Trust me, it gives a very good texture to your hair. So this is tip number 1, and as I have said that please dilute your shampoo to 1 teaspoon of water, and it will be very beneficial. And as we should not actually apply our any shampoo directly to our hair, you know. And so this was another. And third thing is, please, if you are using any chemical products, please switch it on to herbal products. It's high time now. We are all facing with lots of hair falls. Please switch it on to herbal products, and don't go out with oily hair. Yes, it damages your hair properly, and the dust particles and everything will get attracted to your hair very easily. So please don't go out while after applying oil to your hair. Yes. And another tip is the one this castor oil. We all know that castor oil, how much castor oil is beneficial to our hair. Yes. So basically, castor oil is a thick oil and castor oil is a carrier oil. So castor oil is not a normal oil that you guys can put on your hair, as it is a very thick oil and it's a carrier oil. Yes. So what I mean by saying carrier oil, so carrier oil means simply when you are oiling your hair, please put some castor oil. If you are taking 2 teaspoons of normal oil, any oil, be it any oil. So if you are putting 2 teaspoons of normal oil, then you have to put 1 teaspoon, only 1 teaspoon of castor oil. As I have said, I am saying it time and again that castor oil is very thick, so you have to put it in a very lesser amount, and it should be half of the normal oil amount. Okay, so yes, oil your hair a night before you are going to wash your hair with shampoo. So that's it about castor oil. And also castor oil also helps to grow your eyebrows. We have seen many people who have very lesser hair in their eyebrows, not very thick eyebrows, and they want to grow their eyebrows. So please use castor oil and see the results. One more tip is that we all like to stay beautiful by applying products, applying serums, oils, foundation, and whatever, anything to our face. But one thing we forgot is we should also eat healthy products to keep our skin and hair beautiful and glowy actually. Because when you are not fit, when you are not consuming healthy things inside, then maybe despite of putting all the products in your face or hair, that glow is not up to that mark, you know. Unless and until we keep ourselves happy and healthy from within, we cannot match the results. We cannot match the actual results actually, because these are the products which can beautify ourselves from outside. But all you have to do is you have to keep your hygiene and keep your health very good by consuming proper foods. People who have oily skins as I have, please avoid consuming sweet things, please avoid consuming oily things. I am saying it very confidently. That doesn't mean that I don't eat those things. I also eat, but after eating I get some pimples. That is very natural with oily skin people, because yes, if you have oily skin and if you are eating very much of sweets and very much of oils, it will definitely get reacted to your face, and you can see it day after or 2 days after, definitely. So the more of the story is, you have to, as our schedule today's every youth schedule has been changed. They are eating PG food or anything, or means not that healthy food, right? In this lockdown we have made so much of things with means like fast foods, and what we cannot get to eat right now, we have made so much of things and in this lockdown. So please don't we have forgotten to eat proper nutritious foods. That means all I'm trying to say is that we have to consume multivitamins or vitamin C or vitamins E, because vitamin E is considered as beauty vitamin, you know. So what vitamin E does is it clear your skin, it beautify your skin from inside. Because when you are not good inside, how can you be good from outside for a longer time, right? So you have to eat proper things, proper nutritive things, and yeah, vitamin C is all about skin. So we all know that how helpful vitamin C is all about. So what I take is, I take vitamin E, which the tablet name is Evion. So I naturally take that. So please take vitamins and take multivitamins, as we are getting very deficit of these things. So please take those. As today's schedule, we are not able to get these things. So please start consuming these. Another thing which is very important, and which we guys which we guys feel taking it very irritating, that is oiling. Yeah, oiling is the most important thing to make your hair look beautiful inside outside both. So please don't forget to oil your hairs twice or thrice a week, and yes, it helps phenomenally. It helps, guys, it helps. Okay, so now moving on to my most favorite product, that is of Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil Hair Mask. This product is very good. All I can say about this is it helps prevent hair thinning, helps add luster to dull hair, helps repair brittle hair. So I have used this product. See, मैं यहाँ जो भी बोल रही हूँ मैं बिना यूज की नहीं बोलूँगी, because मैं सब कुछ यूज कर चुकी हूँ, तभी मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं genuine review दे रही हूँ. So okay, let's talk about hair mask. So hair mask is also paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil, and no silicones in it. So it is definitely a very good product for your hair. It is actually a spa product. If you are willing to spa your hair without going to salons and parlors, because this is not the right time to go outside, you know, and so I have purchased it and I use it in my home, and the result is amazing. The touch and feel, the look and feel of the product is amazing. So it is always very good to spa your hair once a month or twice a month. So okay, so if you want a video of how to apply this, I will make a video for about this, because it's a bit lengthy process, so I cannot cover this topic in this video. So if you are willing to watch the results or watch how to use it, so please comment down. You can comment down and let me know that you are really interested in this product. So and so it's done. Now my last suggestion will be this, that while going to purchase any shampoo or any oil, while going to purchase any shampoo, please make sure that it does not have these things: one, sulfate, parabens, silicones, and any color in it, because they really damages our hair, and we cannot imagine it while buying, because the products packaging, their look and feel are very good, so we cannot imagine that those are sulfate rich and paraben rich products. So please avoid this. Okay, so one of the most foremost thing is that always look at the back of the products where the ingredients are written, because we what we often do, naturally we just watch the name, observe the packaging and the price and buy it, but that should not be the thing, guys. You always have to look at the back of the product and see the ingredient section. It's very important. The ingredient section, where you can see what are the, whether there has been any parabens or any sulfates, and after that you can judge the product. So that's all about this video. I hope I have successfully clarified all your queries and all your dilemmas. So yeah, that's it. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, और तब तक के लिए बाय. दुआ में याद रखिएगा, और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो से कुछ भी हेल्प मिली हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो, और कमेंट डाउन करना नहीं भूलिएगा कि आपको ये हेयर मास्क का वीडियो में इंटरेस्टेड हो या नहीं. सो अगर आप लोग हो तो इंटरेस्टेड हो तो मैं डेफिनेटली वीडियो बनाऊंगी. सो ओके, सी यू गाइज इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So if you are abide by the points I have made, then definitely you are going to have a very glowy and beautiful hair.